Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your app language on TikTok. So go to your profile page by pressing the profile button on the bottom right corner of your screen. Select the three lines on the top right corner of your screen, and then go to Settings and Privacy. Under Content and Activity, you are just going to select App Language. Currently, mine is in English, but you can change it in these languages. For instance, you want to change it to Spanish, just click on it and press Done. And it'll change your app language to Spanish. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!